What is up, YouTube? Micro Scale Garage, episode 45. Alright. I got the micro desert truck on the jack stands because I want to try and search for parts for that. Try and get that back running. We ended up pulling out the 500 RPM motor out of the F-150. We're going to put in a 300 RPM motor. But before we do that, package from Banggood. Go ahead and get this opened up. Some trusty little scissors. Right, we got just one part. And we have the axle sleeves. So that way we can put the axles together. Or not axle sleeves. This is the sleeve. We have the axle shafts. And the part number, oh, they put it all over the sticker. Part number is TA008, and this is for the rear OH35 P01 axles. The OH32 A02 and the OH35 A01 kits have the shorter axles, the Jeep axles and the Mitsubishi axles. So this is epic right here. That's going up on my parts wall. Bam! Getting closer to getting this truck built. And we have the other bag we need to unbox or unbag. Go ahead and we're gonna clip that. Alright. Let's grab our trusty kid scissors real quick again. I had these parts ever since before I even went to Excel to go do the drifting. I had to get myself right. Sweet. That's what I needed for the Jeep right there. And what we got here is we got more mirrors because I keep knocking my mirrors off in my Jeep. Got another antenna. So it's gonna go for my Jeep. I gotta order some for a little Jeep back there. Gotta order some rims for the Jeep because I stole the rims. Actually stole the rims off this truck, and then we put them on there, you know, and then I took the extra speed rims and put them on the Jeep, and then took its rims, and then yeah, some sort of Jeeps need some love, you know. You gotta give the Rubicon some love. So I ended up getting some more mirrors. I actually want to get the extra speed mirrors, but I needed new headlights because when I was repainting the grill, I ended up losing my front headlights and the turn signal buckles. So I'm very happy about getting this, very stoked about getting this. And the part number for this is SA0019, and that's for the front headlights for the Jeep Rubicon kit for the Orlando Hunter. And for the stock mirrors, not the extra speed aluminum mirrors, I really want to get some of those. But for the stock mirrors and the door handles and stuff, just in case you lost them like me, do a lot of outside driving. SA0015. And these are going up on the parts wall. I like it a lot when my parts wall is like, you know, looking like a hobby shop. And there's a bunch of parts. So I gotta buy more parts, doubles and stuff, just so. I ended up, when I was at Excel, I ended up picking up another all-in-one FPV camera. This was a 240 channel, 200 milliwatt camera. I haven't used it yet, and thinking about putting it on something. I don't know what yet. I was thinking about the Bronco, doing like a micro scale FPV off-road crawler, or putting it on something bigger like the RC 4-wheel drive Glendale, and just seeing if that would you know, be kind of cool to do, you know what I'm saying? First I want to do FPV jumping and stuff like that at dirt burners. So I'm gonna take the Latrax and get that running and stuff. Oh, be right back. Now let's go ahead and cut this 300 RPM motor open. Alright, nice and beautiful and brand new. That's what I like. Over here we'll set our F-150 area. Now let me grab my gear, and we're gonna put our gear on just like that. Just tighten down the set screw. Set our motor in. Alright, we got our motor set in. And we'll grease all that up, and then we'll actually mine is still pretty greased up pretty good, but like I said, I gotta go buy some grease for all my stuff. And we'll set our gear cover on. Try not to lose your screws like I just did. Most of them fell out. I got one still in here. One over here. So we'll get that back screwed up. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws at the top and 1 at the bottom. Alright. Got the motor in. Right now, what I'm thinking about doing is making like a drop down hitch, so I can pull the trailer and it'll be even when I pull it. And then all we gotta do is just wait for some snow to melt and go hit the micro course. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be the quick video today. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, get out there and RC anyway. God bless. See you guys in the next video.